tayo.
Gago, galing mo yan. Bigat ng bag ko eh. Wala na eh.
Ikaw, manda ka mamaya.
Chef, chef.
Manda ka mamaya.
Pinalayas siya ng asawa. Ayan o. Pinalayas ng asawa. Ang bit-bit. Amoy.
Pamilya ka ba?
Bilisan nyo.
Hi guys!
Mag-virtual assistant din ako. Try ko lang.
Hello naman dyan.
Day. Go, baby. Come on, mapaiwan ka dyan. Lalo kang maano. Naman yun. Oh my God. Up. It's raining.
Humid, humid.
Hindi tatay.
Gamitin mo na to. Coach mo dyan.
Mas mahirap pa to kaysa doon sa tower natin eh.
Mas mahirap ba to?
Oo, kasi humid eh.
Oo. Tsaka full pack. Pero yun lang naman yung assault. From here, bababa.
We're here. Hi, baby. Wow, si Macho Boy, oh. Isigaw ka pa dyan, nagyabang. Wow, yung mga pilinggera, nandyan na, oh. Ayan na. Ang mga feeling campers. Hi, ate! Good job! Yay! Exact 3 kilometers.
Next time I know next time I'm gonna go to like that was a long trail. Next time I really want to go to a shorter one.
Why? This challenge, no? Good job, Kuya! We're here! See? He made it. Careful! Ay, wala pala kayong ilaw? May ilaw ako dito. Hindi, kala ko. Nice! Good job, baby!
Survive naman.
Yay!
No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Grabe yung tent. May kumot pa.
Ate, dito ka, baby! Yung... Hala, hindi. Ayan. Gigi. Inaagawan.
No, it's not.
It's a stick on stick, baby.
Puro, ano pala ito? Puro walls. Military outpost.
I know they like it.
Like this, oh, baby.
Yeah,
Like I'll get close, but not too close.
like this, oh.
Yeah.
Ladies, one at a time.
It's burning!
Wait.
Huwag mo i-ano tayo,
Move
kuya.
away from there.
Yan, yan, yan.
Just as ate. As my day.
Tap-
That's it. Enough.
Enough, hindi.
Go like this.
Sarap. Masarap, nag-melt yung iba.
Hot dog. I want cheese dog.
Disco kayo!
I know that you're very healthy. Rice and
Day, day. Sexy na aming tagaluto, oh. Kagulo na po. Oh, hindi pa, parang hindi pa nag-ano. Isok na.
I'm Sherwin. Why do you hike? I'm hiking because I love environment.
Guys. Glow na skin talaga.
Dumiretso.
Madaming tissue sa sopa.
Dumiretso.
Hala. Welcome, Coach Marky! Hi, Elaine! How are you? At least,
Grabe yung
Hi, Day! Ano, Day? Ano masabi? Okay lang. Okay lang. Sure kang okay ka lang? Ang tuhod, kamusta? Wala din ako.
sa baba? Gusto niyang gusto niyang mag-summit, umaasa siya na mamumundok. Eh, pagka tayo, pipicturean kita ng summit. Nakasummit naman siya. Tingnan. Meron talaga eh. Nag-summit siya. Ang mapatunayan natin na.
Talaga, ganun talaga pag nag-tribute.
Sino ba kasi yung may projector natin?
Projector lang kulang natin eh. Para wala makalimutan.
Pre, nag-summit nga eh. Papakita natin eh.
Ilang beses, ilang swipe yun. Swipe up.
Sa dulo na to. Ito po ang summit shot ni Walang tatalo dyan. Ayan, summit siya ha. Summit po yan ha. Tunay yan, summit. Sa Saraya. Nakita nyo? Saraya. Saraya summit. Nakita nyo? Ayan po ang summit shot niya ha. Ako yung nag-shot sa kanya. Pinramis ko sa kanya magsa-summit siya.
Oo. Tayo na. Nasaan na ba yun? Hindi ko na alam.
Pagkatapos.
Nalahi.
Kaya lang, umamin siya, playboy daw.
Nandyan lang.
At lahat dumaan sa kanya. Lahat, asa si Pops Alan? Pops Alan! Lahat ng babae sa kanya, Hinuhuli. Wala yan. Kung wala pa akong pinakilala sa kanya. Next. Sino? Saya-saya pa niya ng no?
Linis no?
Nagkakagulo na sila.
Laki yung kikir mo yun.
Dulas naman ang hotdog.
Ayun.
Aber na nga. Ang tapo yung stick mo ha. Walang tayong stick. Correct. Kawawa naman si Rod. Kawawa naman si Rod. Kiyam na din siya. Ate ka na rin.
You want this?
Nakaka-addict pero ako.
You don't want a share a portion of it?
Bigay mo kay kuya.
What can I say? I love insects except for centipede.
What's that?
Centipedes and millipedes.
Nasa ziplock natin.
Nandoon din. Nasa pula. It's raining.
The water hasn't even
Ate, sarado mo na yung jacket mo. Yan na, lakas. Hindi na. Hey, Kings pa!
Yeah! Ayan na. Ayan na. All right, hi Kings! Hey! All right.
Enday. Hi! Buhay pa! Gumising ang demonyo.
Na demonyo.
Liam.
Liya.
Ayan.
Skibidi, oh hi, go Skibidi.
Yeah. Skibidi. Ayos nga eh.
Parang sinats na sa Sigma.
Pagbabagsak kayo.
Hey, unit high.
Thank you.
More showing view of the area.
Doon na lang mamaya pag nag-ano.
If you want water, there's always one here.
Look at dude.
This is an organ. Because it's part of the body, right? It's an external organ. part of this. Look, the worst part of this trip is uphill. The best part of this trip is downhill. And the rain, I guess.
Yeah, we like that.
Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like that. Waffles.
No, really. They really like. Like, here's the debate: waffles or pancakes. Which one would you think?
It depends on people.
Bibiryani tayo ulit. I don't like it.
It's the same.
Well, yes, it's technically the same. The only difference is how you cook it. But it's a matter of preference because waffles are built to be more crunchy because of the surface area, right? There's more surface area in the waffling and the shape, so you can put more stuff in it.
You know what I love about
But the problem is waffles aren't as spongy compared to a pancake. So if you like it soft, go for a pancake. If you like it crispy and hard, go for a waffle.
What do you mean by
And
Pancake is the waffle is the
something I love about
same naman po sila, ang waffle, ang pancake flat lang.
something I love about pancakes are,
No,
are
waffles
how you
kasi
can make
meron
hard
ano, di ba?
bread.
Waffle maker yun. No, we cook fresh pancake.
Tsaka yung the way it's shaped, it has ano, square holes sa ilalim, so you can add more stuff there. More flavor. A pancake is so
pan
is
lang.
rather
So,
simple.
hindi siya crispy.
And pancakes are fluffier in general. Waffles are, but it's so thin. Well, not really thin, it's just thin.
So that pancake garden is very
Pag nanay mo.
I like pancakes.
Tignan. Wow, ang bilis ni Inday. Look, Reng.
Toast is healthier when you brioche bun instead of the standard white bread. Brioche is, I think, healthier. No. If it's healthy, it's expensive. So it's not really expensive.
And how much is it to get a loaf of brioche?
I don't know. Look para po.
You know what's good idea?
There's our podium, our cars. Yes, this is the best apartment. We're here to celebrate the size of this total view.
You know what's bad when religious people are praying for monsters to happen in the Philippines.
Do people not want him to win? I think the majority of most fans are probably just people who want to see the winner all the time, you know. Only a select few root for the underdogs, like Lance Stroll. No, sorry. What?
We got a British. We got Dutch guy. Dutch guy. British guy. Monegascan guy. British guy.
See, Liam, this is how the pioneers picture. Very, very long, taxing road, which involves a lot of deaths due to starvation and potential dangers like rock slides, floods, rivers, bears. Almost there.
Yeah, congratulations!
Hindi,